Hi, here at Team Believe It. We believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the latter part of the video. Now for today's topic. Did you know that it takes just 7 seconds to make a first impression? 7 seconds. That's all the time you have to leave a lasting mark on someone's mind. That's less time than it takes to sing the alphabet or even to tie your shoelaces. In the world of sales, those 7 seconds can mean the difference between a closed deal and a closed door. It's a critical window where every gesture, every word, and every expression counts. Think about it. When you meet someone new, you instantly form an opinion. Are they friendly, trustworthy, interesting? Or perhaps are they someone you would rather avoid? Now imagine you're a salesperson. Those same snap judgments apply to how potential customers see you. Your demeanor, your confidence, and your approach all play a role in shaping their perception. That's why prospecting, the art of finding and connecting with those potential customers, is so important. It's not just about finding leads, it's about making a memorable first impression. It's about making those precious 7 seconds count. Every interaction is an opportunity to build trust and establish a connection that could lead to a successful business relationship. So, what exactly is prospecting? It's simple. Prospecting is like searching for hidden treasure. But instead of gold, you're looking for people. The people who need what you're selling. Think of it like dating, but for your business. You wouldn't marry the first person you meet, right? You'd want to get to know them, see if you're a good fit. Prospecting is the same way. It's about identifying potential customers, reaching out to them, starting a conversation, and discovering their needs. Imagine a garden. Without planting seeds, you can't grow beautiful flowers. Prospecting is like planting those seeds for your business. It's essential for success because it keeps your sales pipeline full. More prospects mean more potential deals. Helps you find the right customers. Focus on those who truly need your product or service. Build relationships with them. Get to know your prospects, understand their needs, and build trust. Remember, a sale doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistent prospecting to nurture those relationships and watch your business blossom. Ready to become a prospecting pro? Here's your step-by-step guide. First, who are you trying to reach? Identifying your target audience is the foundation of successful prospecting. What are their pain points? Understanding their challenges will help you tailor your approach. Knowing your audience is key. Dive deep into their demographics, interests, and behaviors. Next, will you cold call, email, or attend industry events? Each method has its own advantages and can be effective in different scenarios. Select the methods that best suit your target market. Consider where your audience is most active and reachable. Then, keep it short, sweet, and personalized. Personalization shows that you value their time and understand their needs. Highlight the benefits of your product or service and how it solves their problems. Make it clear why they should care. After that, make that first contact count. Your initial interaction sets the tone for the relationship. Be confident, enthusiastic, and genuinely interested in their needs. Authenticity can make a big difference. Also, not all prospects are created equal. Prioritize those who are most likely to convert. Determine if they're a good fit for your business and have the potential to become paying customers. This will save you time and effort. Finally, stay top of mind by providing value, sharing relevant content, and consistently engaging with them. Building a genuine connection is crucial. Remember, relationships are at the heart of successful prospecting. Let's bring these steps to life with some examples. Meet Anne, who sells software designed specifically for small businesses. She regularly attends local networking events and strikes up conversations with business owners, focusing on how her software can streamline their operations, save time, and increase efficiency. Then there's Rafa, who specializes in selling eco-friendly cleaning products. He creates engaging social media content about sustainable living, sharing tips and tricks for a greener lifestyle. Sean also uses targeted ads to reach environmentally conscious consumers who are looking for sustainable alternatives. And let's not forget Josh, who sells online courses aimed at professional development. He partners with industry influencers to host informative webinars, offering valuable free content to attract potential students and showcase the benefits of her courses. See, prospecting doesn't have to be scary. It's all about finding the right approach. Be creative, think outside the box, and tailor your strategy to your audience. Find ways to connect with your ideal customers in a meaningful way, and success will follow. As always, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.